message for the following counties. In San Andreas Flint, Los Santos, red. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 55 and effective through Saturday morning. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. In close to the watch area, persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.